In this video, I'm going to show you how you can share a TikTok video to your Facebook story. So this is relatively easy. So let me show you. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to TikTok. Now on TikTok, you can share either your videos or somebody else's videos. If you want to share someone else's, find the video, then click on this arrow icon in the bottom right, and that will open up this window. If you want to share your video, go to profile, click on your video, and then click on the three dots in the bottom right hand corner, and it will bring up the same window. Now you'll notice if you scroll through these app icons, you'll see Facebook, but if you actually click on the Facebook icon, it's going to just open up the Facebook feed and you're going to be posting it to your feed. So if you actually want to send this to your story, what I would do is I would click save video, and you can do this on somebody else's video as well as your own. What will happen though is it will save it with the watermark, so it will credit the original owner. This is perfectly legit and legal to do within TikTok. Once you've saved that video, you can then go to Facebook. You can then go to your profile icon in the top left hand corner, click add to story. Then you can go ahead and click on that TikTok you've just downloaded. Then you can click on share. That will then share that video to your story on Facebook. So I hope that quick video did help you out.